After the late-night rampage at RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has alleged the role of workers of CPIM and the BJP in vandalism. The police, in fact, has now arrested 10 people and detained 3 others for violence in the hospital. Mamata Banerjee is all set to hold a protest rally demanding early closure of the case by CBI and, in fact, hanging of the accused in the case as well. In response, BJP has called for symbolic Bandh from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. today itself, and in fact will also hold a rally up to Mamata Banerjee's residence over this particular matter. BJP Sukanta Majumdar has also written to Home Secretary and CBI Director and has asked the CAPF to be deployed in the RG Kar premise at the earliest. Meanwhile, FODA continues to strike after the recent tragic incident at RG Kar and failure of government to deliver on promises in a timely manner has been assured.
আমি ছাত্রছাত্রীদের কোনো দোষ দিচ্ছি না। বহিরাগত কিছু রাজনৈতিক লোক যারা বাংলায় অশান্তি করতে চান, বাম এবং রাম, তারা একত্রিত হয়ে এই গন্ডগোলটা করেছে। আমার সবচেয়ে খারাপ লাগছে কি জানেন, ঘটনাটা তো দুঃখজনক। আমরা বারবার বলেছি ফাঁসি চাই, আমি তো কালকেও মিছিল করব ফাঁসির দাবিতে। কালকে উত্তরপ্রদেশেও সেম জিনিস ঘটেছে, একটা দলিত মেয়ের ওপরে। তার দুদিন আগে মধ্যপ্রদেশেও ঘটেছে। এর আগে আপনারা দেখেছেন হাতরাসও ঘটেছে, বিলকিস বানুর ওখানেও হয়েছে।
Till 14th of August, this was the emergency wing of the Kar Hospital in Calcutta. This is where poor patients used to get medicine. The doors, the window frames, everything smashed, equipments thrown on the ground and broken vials of medicine strewn all around. This is the scene all the way down the corridor of this emergency ward. I'm going to walk through 24 hours later. This is what happened on the intervening night of 14th and 15th August. Signs of it are still there for everyone. The Central Bureau of Investigation team has just visited and their focus is more on the actual crime that has happened. This vandalism is being probed by the local police and they have already detained or arrested about a dozen people, if not more. Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, has spoken saying that, we are doing everything possible, but this vandalism is unacceptable. She had given a call to the police initially when the police was probing that you must finalize who the culprits for the alleged rape and murder are. Now that the CBI has taken over, the pressure is on the CBI as well. But in the interim, you look at this particular room, this was where the medicines were stored. Even the refrigerator which was used to store the medicine has been overturned. And this is crucial evidence now where police will try and ascertain that, who really did that. The guards who were on duty, they couldn't do much because they were completely outnumbered.
This is RG Kar's emergency ward, which has been vandalized yesterday badly. See the condition of the furnitures out here. It is totally vandalized. See the condition of medicines out here. This is an emergency ward. The meaning of emergency is something which is very urgent. You see, this was closed and now how many medicines, see the condition of the medicines, everything, see the clock, everything is just vandalized as if they have, the people who came, the miscreants who came, they just absolutely ransacked everything, and everything is, now this is the condition. You see, if we show the floor, this is the situation. Everything has been badly ransacked. The condition of the CCTV camera, everything is just vandalized. People who were very angry with the doctors, with the police, they only know why they did it. Everything is just finished here in this emergency, which is one of the most vital place of RG Kar Hospital.
ममता बनर्जी के बयान की जितनी भी निंदा की जाए उतनी कम है। वो मुख्यमंत्री जैसे महत्वपूर्ण पद के योग नहीं बची हैं। उनकी नारी संवेदनाएं मर चुकी।
ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर वो ये रैली करेंगे, वो हटेंगे वहां पर, ये आरजी कौर को जस्टिस और कॉन्स्पिरेसी का खिलाफ और जस्टिस चाहिए ये बोलकर ये बताकर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर रैली में रहेंगे, उससे डर के वो डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए वो घर में चलो इसमें चलो। क्यों सीएम के घर में क्यों? जब उन्नाव हाथरस प्रयागराज हुआ था तब क्या यूपी का चीफ मिनिस्टर का घर में कोई ये हुआ था, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हुआ था? ना आपने करने दिया। तो ये लोग चाहता है बंगाल में एनार्की।
What is the situation right now? Is the hospital functioning?
No, ma'am. After yesterday, whatever was functioning was this emergency to some extent and the trauma to some extent. After, you can see there's nothing to work with in the first place.
Can you just recall for us what really happened? At what time did you get to know?
Yes,
what?
ma'am, I can tell you that at 11, we were supposed to start a protest tomorrow. All females were to be involved, and we are going to start it because it was in the state it was happening everywhere. So we were going to lead it at 11 tomorrow. Everything started according to plan. But at 12, we see some people marching from Belgachia, and they were screaming slogans that we use oftenly. So we did not know for sure if they were our people supporting our side, our cause, or where they were some other kind of people. We didn't even have the awareness that this can happen. Suddenly I hear a noise, and initially I see everyone running back. We could not understand what was going. We did not see a massive effort from the police, that they did not really try. I would not say they really tried to protect us. I do not know if the police is so incompetent that they cannot protect us, if they are not given that particular training, or they are not allowed. I do not know what is wrong. But I have seen them charging doctors with severe assault, tearing down their shirts, using brutal force when they came to support us. But they did not use the same kind of force for the mobs, ma'am.